All right, Marvin's got the J-65. I've seen RD fly his. This is Marvin's. Try to keep it straight. Sometimes it's hard to film, but I got it. Yeah, that wind's kicking it around pretty good. Got some pretty high winds today. I'm gonna see the wings fold on that jugger. At least I'm gonna get it on camera when the wings fold.
But you can see it's, you can do a lot of stuff.
Looking good with the J-65. This is an X-Fly J-65. Looking good. Got some wind today though. Y'all hear it in the camera. Wind's kicking pretty good. Try to keep the camera as straight as I can. Kind of hard with the wind blowing and just trying to keep her straight. Good flyby.
50 seconds. Ready, landing. Gear down. 20 seconds.
Not quite. Not quite. I think the wind caught a little bit. There we go.
Starting to come down? That's just a little flyby, get used to it.
See what the wind got that one big time.
You may have to do some work yourself.
Yeah, it's just that thing right there, bro.
Is it a break or
See right there. That thing
it popped out? That's it. Yeah. You got a screwdriver? Take this right out.
I got one right here.
Pull that lever right out of there.
I got a little fall to fly.
Yeah.
I'll get her fixed at the house.
Yeah, you
so
already
we'll
did
see
2
it.
flights down there.
Yeah, that's good. Yep. I'll paint her back up. Now.
Yeah, that ain't near as wobbly.
High rate. Gear up. Stabilize mode.
I got two pairs for fall.
Yeah.
Fly a couple small things.
Yeah, you had fun with it. Yeah, I did.
Right there, I can tell the wind caught right there at the end.
Did you have your flaps down?
Yeah.
Honestly, we shouldn't be flying. We shouldn't be landing with flaps.
Yeah.
The way
Not
this
the wind
headwind is.
Yeah.
You don't really need them.
Yeah. But
Sport of learning.
every time I come out here, I learn something.
There you go.
I need to learn it.
That's right.
Not as good as there anymore.
Never stop. Never stop. I don't stop. How you going to boom?
Man, shit.
Hey, you do bombs a deer?
Well, you need a damn contortionist to film your damn flights. Not a 75-year-old man with arthritis in his back. Oh, shit.
Did you go to the doctor yet?
Oh, yeah.
They hook you up, did they?
I got an epidural.
Yeah.
Back, so it's taking a couple of days to heal back up. Like
Are they gonna have some cushion in there? What are they gonna do for you?
well, if this don't work, they're going to go in there and do some work on that nerve.
Yeah.
But hopefully, I mean, so far so good. I mean, he just said it's going to take some time. So
Right.
yeah, I mean, that wind's playing crazy on that big wings over. Wings are so wide on it.
Yeah.
So long.
You got the flaps down on that thing? Oh, good. I don't think you need them. Pretty good headwind.
Yeah. That wind's playing hectic on it. exactly what it did to that F4 right there. Trying to push it over, right?
Yeah, right over there, same spot.
Yep. It's almost like that wind's coming through that.
Yeah, channel's right there.
Yep.
It speeds up.